Hi, my name is Eric Chalisan and my matrix number is 09DJK25F1017.
Hi, my name is Haris. My matrix number is 09DJK25F and 1001.
My name is Daniel Muhammad Stefano. My matrix number is 09DJK 25F 1014.
Hello, my name is Momichael bin Momanef and my matric number is 009 DJK 25F1025.
The scenario that we are choose is scenario 5, slippery floor in a construction site.
The site is still under development and drainage systems are incomplete. Workers need to transport steel rods and cement bags across the area to continue work. No hazard warning signs or barriers have been placed to restrict access.
How is your work today, Haris?
I think my work today is great.
Boleh,
But sometimes I feel bad.
Why do you feel bad about your work?
I think our boss is too angry. Maybe it's because it's the age. Do you agree with me? Because it's the age?
Yes, I think he's a bit angry today. But it's okay lah, it's our boss. I'm also really mad about our workplace. It's because our workplace is really watery. When it's rain, it's water everywhere. It's really dangerous.
Yeah, I agree with you. The drain system is very terrible.
Meanwhile,
Why are these cement are still here? Woi!
Hey, our boss is calling us.
Yes, boss. What happened, boss?
Hey, why are these cement are still here? You two move this cement today. Now.
Alright, boss.
Do you have any injuries after the incident?
Do I look like I don't have any injuries?
Yes, it's really like that.
No, it's really hurt.
Which part?
My leg is
My
broken.
leg. Let me call our safety officer first.
Hello.
Hello, safety officer. I want to make a report about my friend that just got injuries from the slippery on the construction site.
Okay, where are you now?
I'm on medic place on the construction site.
Oh, okay. I will be there in a minute. Wait, huh? Hey, Daniel, are you okay?
Yes, my leg is just hurt a bit.
How do you get hurt?
I get hurt because there is no signboard when the road is slippery. So I fell down on the road and my leg is broken. Hurt.
Okay. I will call boss.
Yes, hello. Is that the problem, safety officer?
Hello, boss. One of your worker got injured because of a slippery floor.
Okay. Now you and the worker come to my office.
Okay, boss. Let's go, Daniel. Meet boss.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel, boss.
Can you tell me how you can fell down and get injured your leg?
I fell down and injured my leg because of the slippery floor. I think there's not enough safety there, boss.
Is there any barrier sign?
There's no barrier sign.
Is there what another problem that cause you fell down?
I think it's also the drain. There is no drain system. It's because of the rainy day, so it's really watery. And it's also my fault. It's also my fault that I don't use any safety boots.
Do you know not using safety boot you will be fined?
I'm sorry, boss. I thought that today will not rain.
Hey, safety officer, why are you not checking our workers? Now, the situation is getting worse like this. I'm sorry, boss. No, sorry.
I'm sorry, boss. I will not repeat the mistake again.
Okay, now we here are discussing about how we can prevent this accident again. Hello, Haris.
Hello, boss. Why?
Haris, now you come to my office because we want to discuss some problem now.
Oh, okay, boss. I will be there in a minute. Hi, boss. Morning.
Okay, now we are discussing about how to prevent this accident to happen again.
Okay, boss.
Okay, do you have an idea?
I think our company should ensure that warning signs and safety supervisors monitor high risk zones.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, I agree with Daniel idea. I think we should add the highlight the use rope or rail as a hand support.
That's a good idea.
I think I recommend placing sandbags or wooden planks for safer walking area.
That's a good idea.
That's all from us.
Meanwhile.
Oh, no, I don't want, boss. I busy. Bangke.